In this video, I will show you how to add Klarna to Stripe. So to do this, there are a few steps you need to take, so make sure to watch until the end and follow every step. So the first one is to just go to your Stripe dashboard and then click on the gear icon, so the settings icon in the top right. And then from there, under product settings, you want to go to payments. Now here click on payment methods, and here you will have different configurations, or maybe you only have one, but you need to find the configuration that you want to use. So often when you send an invoice, for example, it will use the default one, or for recurring billing payments, it will use the billing payments one. Now I have a bunch of custom ones as well, but just find the one that you are using for your payments, and then on that one click on the three dots over on the right, and then click Manage Configuration. From there, it will then load your payment methods that you are currently accepting. So you can see some of them are active and others will say turn on. So what you want to do is just scroll down until you see Klarna, which should be in here. And you can see it right here for me. Now I've already activated it. If it's not active yet for you, simply go and click on turn on. And when you click turn on, it will just instantly be turned on. From there, you then have added Klarna as a payment method, and now you can then go and click on create an experiment in order to see if it works. But first, what you should know is that Klarna doesn't work everywhere, so you can see this is for Klarna payments on Stripe, and the customer locations can include these countries right here. So as long as the customer is from one of those countries and uses one of these currencies, then they will be able to use Klarna even for recurring payments. But if they're not from one of those countries, then it will not be possible. Also, the amount of money that they can actually pay with using Klarna differs per country, so you can see that right here. Now, Stripe also won't always show the Klarna option to customers. They will show the payment methods that they think are best for the customer. So sometimes if Klarna is best, it will show Klarna. If it's not, then it may not. So you can see that right here, Stripe automatically determines the most relevant payment methods to display. And when you are creating an invoice, as I am right here, you will have a section that says payment collection, and there what you can also do is go to manage payment methods and then just make sure that you have Klarna toggled on. For this, you will need to first set it on in your settings, as I showed you how to do. But now here, if it is available for the person you're sending the invoice to, then just make sure that Klarna is toggled on and click save, and then the customer will be able to pay using Klarna. So you can see right here that I now have opened the invoice I sent, and then it says choose how you would like to pay, and the person can then select Klarna in order to pay using Klarna. So now you know how to add Klarna to Stripe. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.